Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. It's Yvette with Yvette's Junk Journal Shop. In today's video, I'm going to show a complete flip through of this journal that I just completed. This is for the hashtag 12x12 Junk Journal Challenge 2024. This is my December challenge journal. I know it's early in the month, but with my car accident, I've had extra time, so I was able to get this done. So I will be challenging myself for additional journals this month, which will be tall, skinny journals. So be watching my channel for that coming up. But in today's video, we're going to do the flip through of this. And you'll want to check out through that hashtag 12x12 Junk Journal Challenge 2024. You can see everybody's video. So Dawn, Trisha, April, Joan, Sheila, and I will all be posting our videos throughout the month. So be watching as the ladies start to upload their video. So this journal again was made with a USPS priority mail envelope as the base, and I will link in the description box the video where I show you how to do that so you can make your own. And again, it's a patchwork cover because it's something I can do in my recliner. And I just did a running stitch again on this with the pieces of fabric. This is from a vintage tablecloth, and then I have different kinds of fabrics just layered up. This is a 2 signature, so this is a little different than the other one, and I'm using a kit from Jesus Junk Journals. The kit is called Proverbs 31 Woman. So as you can see, it's got a cute retro vibe. I love the way this journal turned out. These little pockets I've glued down on 2 sides, so they actually have a little tuck spot in there, so you can make little tags and put in there. So in the inside cover here, I have this cute little apron that's part of the kit, and the ties and the pockets come separate. It also has a 1-piece pocket you can use, but I really like the little tiny individual pockets on there. And then these are all ephemera pieces from the kit. And I only used items in the kit. I didn't add other, like vintage pieces or anything like that. So we start here with Proverbs 31:10, and it goes all the way through Proverbs 31:31. So I did a little, these are little tuck spots here, and I left this one so you can put whatever in there, or put this one in here like this, so you have 10, 11, and 12. And all of these pages were double printed, and then I used some of these were supposed to be for Pam, the lady who designed the kit at Jesus Junk Journal. She used these to tuck in recipe cards, but I just used them as trim pieces on the edges of the pages because I thought it was so cute. It's got all these little vintage touches. So as we go through here, you'll see that. And here's another little piece there. And then this is like a needle case, but I decided to make it into a little fabric holder. These are not attached, they're just in there, and they're different kinds of vintage and new fabrics with a vintage feel to be used as pockets or whatever in the journal. And here we have 13. This is a specimen slide, but I made it into this funky little pocket, and then you can slide something into the pocket, and then you can also slide it behind the pocket. So I thought that was cute. And then here I have a couple of the price tags that she had. I just put those onto the signature ties. And then we're going into Proverbs 31:14. So as we go through, I have all of the Proverbs here in order, or the verses. Here's a little pocket. So I left a lot of space to add little items as we go along. Here's a little envelope, little coin envelope. A pocket in there. And this was printed on pretty heavy duty cardstock, plus I like the white background in this, so I just left those. I didn't use any tea-dyed paper. So in this little envelope, we have the tabs here that can be used for the actual like recipe section. Or what I was thinking is a person could make another signature and just put that in, you know, in the middle here, and then just attach it with a tie or something. And I have a prior video where I showed how I made a cover and just made it with a removable signature. So here's another one of those cute little aprons. And then this has a pocket here with a recipe card. And then there's one up in here also. So I kind of made this kind of tuck in like that. So just a cute way to do that. And include the scripture verse there. And then these could also be pockets, but I just made them into little page edge decorations. Here's another one of those little aprons, so cute. And I like how this page is kind of all pink. And we have a couple journal cards tucked in there. And in here, so this section has quite a lot of recipe section, so that you can divide that up with those tabs. And here's the 16, verse 16. Then we go over here to verse 17, 18, and 19 are on the same page. And again, all of these items here are from the kit. So I think it's just so cute. I love the vintage feel. And then we have 20 and 21. 22, 23, and 24. I kind of tied all these together. There wasn't a whole lot of ephemera in the kit that kind of went with the husband side of things, so I just put this in as a pocket and then tucked all the little paper doll elements into different pockets. This is a belly band. This is a tuck spot at the top, so all of these just come out, and then you have your paper doll base here. And then here's 25 and 26. 26 is a pocket. 27 is a pocket or tuck spot. And then 28, 29 are together. And this is part of the kit as well. It's a triple pocket. So just pulling the elements out here so you can see. But you have this pocket here, and then you put this pocket this way, and then this pocket this way. And I made a little pocket at the bottom with some fabric that coordinates with the kit. And then these you can use however you'd like in the journal. And these as well, these would make a really cute little tuck spot as well. I just put those in the top, and this goes in here. And you can move any of these elements around as you want. This I wasn't wanting to glue down in particular, so I just tucked that in there, and that can be again used wherever. A little bit of trim on that page. And then here's 30 in a little fabric pocket. Again, this all my dyed papers are from Cheryl's at Cheryl's Crafts. And then I have a little tuck spot here. So I was going to cut these out, and the idea with these is you glue this part down, and then you make a hinge on the back here, and you glue that down, and then you cut out this white part, and then you flip this down, and you have a pocket. Actually, this goes this way. You have a pocket here and a pocket here, and then this flips down, and this can be a journal spot. So I was going to put these in the journal, so you could cut this out as it is. You could also cut it out around the clasp there and cut out the handle, and I think it would be cute to put this down and then put the handle on here with this over the top, so then this flips down or up. So I was going to glue these down, but I really kind of wanted them to be something to play with, kind of like the paper dolls. So there's two of those. There's the red and black one, and there's the pink and black one. And I just tucked those into the verse 31 there. And then the back is open again for whatever the person who purchases this to do with it. So really cute journal, really fun kit to work with. I love all the different patterns and colors and brightness of it. So it's a little bit out of my comfort zone, although I do like the vintage and retro feel. But I just like how it all came together. So thank you, Pam, over at Jesus Junk Journals for this fun kit. Hope you guys will check that out. I'll put a link in the description box to her channel and also to the actual kit. And I'll link all the other videos that have to do with this journal. If you'd like to purchase it, it will be available in my shop by the time this video is posted, and you can hop over there. That's Yvette's Junk Journal shop on Ko-fi. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Also, I wanted to mention again that December 1st through December 15th, I'm having a giveaway in my Ko-fi shop. So any purchase of $40 or more between those dates, you will be entered into a drawing for a $100 shopping spree in my shop. One entry per order. Shipping is $6.95 per order. That's not included in the $40 purchase. So it'd have to be $46.95 including the shipping. That's US shipping cost. One winner will be selected from all of the qualified orders, and I will announce it hopefully in a live video in an upcoming video. So stay tuned. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thanks so much for watching and have a great day.